The Prestige Omni Tawa is a non-stick, dishwasher-friendly, flat frying pan that works on gas, ceramic, and induction-based cooktops. The low-brimmed pan is typically used in South Asian cooking to make dosa, chapati, and fry without oil. This particular model has a diameter of 28 centimeters. The induction plate underneath is made by metal stamping a flat sheet of grade 430 steel into circles. Then, smaller holes are accurately punched out using the same method. The aluminium 3003 H12 body is made by die casting. A 5-layer non-stick coating is sprayed onto its heated surface and then baked onto the pan. Once cooled, a lathe trims a thin layer of aluminium off its bottom, giving the pan these textured rings. The metal-stamped 304 grade stainless steel handles are given a plastic covering. This handle is screwed onto the wall of the pan, and the induction plate is attached to the base. The pan is white speckled black with a steel rim and a sturdy and ergonomic black plastic handle, a cohesive and sleek color choice for the simple design.